Hey everyone, the next steel book I'm going to show is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the original classic. It's a 2-disc Ultimate Edition, and it's been restored and remastered. On the back, you have a ton of special features on disc 1 and disc 2. And then I'll open this bad boy up. And this is what each disc looks like. And this is what the other disc looks like. Which is the dinner scene, which is like the most fucked up scene in the movie. And then that's what that looks like right there. That's the cooler, and that guy, I forgot what the hell his name is. And that booklet is just, just Dark Sky Films catalog, just to show you what they offer. And this is, I believe this is the part where she's on the meat hook. So that's pretty cool. You get a picture underneath. Like I said, this is just a catalog for Dark Sky Films, 2006 DVD catalog. So we'll just put. So I just thought I'd show this. It's pretty cool. And thanks for watching.